So if you have a frozen or an unresponsive MacBook Neo, you can do a couple of things to try and get it back to working conditions. So let me first close this. So first thing you can do in case you're stuck is try and go to the Apple logo in the top left corner and then select Force Quit. Then you can go and close all these apps. It could be one of these apps that's causing your laptop to freeze. So you can go and close the suspicious applications. Okay. And one of these apps, when closed, might unfreeze or make your computer work properly. Now, in case you're too stuck to even use the trackpad, you can press Command Option Escape. So press those three buttons, and that's going to bring up the Force Quit Applications window, and you can continue force quitting applications until you get your MacBook Neo running properly. Now, if all those don't work, then you can force restart your MacBook Neo. And to do that, you simply force shutdown. So press and hold the power button. Just keep holding, keep holding, hold until you see the screen go dark. There you go. That's a forced shutdown. That's how you do that. Give it a couple of seconds, maybe 10 to 15 seconds. And then now you can press the power button again to restart your MacBook Neo. And hopefully that's going to fix any problem you might be having with your MacBook. Thanks for watching and good luck.